Hello, hello, good afternoon. It's Tuesday. This is Sarah. I'm here at Craft Habit doing our new series, Tuesday Tips. And today I've got my sewing machine. Let me see if I can make this a little bit brighter. Nope, it's just going to be like this. Well, I hope you can see me. I hope you can hear me okay. I will try to be loud. Today I want to tell you about something I love in crafting, which is magnets. Magnets are very helpful, and today I'm going to show you how we use them with sewing. So if you sew, depending on what you sew and how you learned, you have varying opinions about pins. I was raised to use pins. You use pins a lot in garment sewing, quilting less often, depending on how you sew, but anyway, pins, lots of pins. I've got a pin cushion here. Pins are very useful. They hold your fabric together while you're sewing. Make sure you take them out before you get there so you don't sew over pins. So this happens when you're sewing along, and you end up with a bunch of pins, and maybe they're there, maybe they're in your hand, maybe they're on the floor. You don't want that. So while pin cushions like this are cute and nice, it's awesome to have a magnet. This is a magnetic pin cushion. What this can do is just suck up all your pins right away. Extra good if they fell on the floor. When I've taught sewing to kids, that's something they love more than grabbing a magnetic pin cushion and like going all over the floor. We end up with more pins than we started with usually. So this is very helpful. These pin catchers have a good strong magnet inside. We have some that we made here at Craft Habit. It's a little Altoids tin, or a little mince tin, and we just put a magnet inside and there's little pins in there. So you can always make your own, you don't have to buy one. And something else I love is to actually add a magnet onto my sewing machine so that while I'm sewing along and taking out my pins, I can just toss them directly where I am. So this is just a magnet off my fridge. It's a company that I don't think is even in Raleigh anymore. So what I'm going to do, grab another one of my favorite craft supplies, double-sided tape. I'm going to put a couple sticks of that on there. Now I can stick this down here, and I've got a pin catcher always here with me. And if you have a fancy new machine with a computer in it, a magnet like this is not going to mess it up. Don't worry, it's going to be safe. But you can sew along all you want. Take your pins out. Whoops, not a good demo. Take your pins out, drop them on the magnet, and keep going. So that's my endorsement today. Magnets, you need them. Bye guys.